Reading reviews online, it seemed like there wasn't a whole lot of performance difference. At least that's what was being suggested by the reviews between the 890, the slightly lower end model, and the 980 in the background there, the higher end model. But I found in practice, the navigation, the version 2 navigation that comes with the 980 on the right is far superior to the 890 on the left, and I'll show some footage of what that looks like. But there's really no comparison in terms of the experience with the 980 versus the 890. They both clean, like as far as sucking up dirt and debris. They both will be just as effective at doing that, provided they run over it. But in overall, the percentage of completions that the 980 is able to turn out is much higher. So you'll find a lot of failed jobs, at least I did, with the 890 versus a very high success rate and a much lower job time. So 980 will do my house in about, our main floor, in about 30 to 40 minutes, whereas the 890 would spend an hour until it ran out of battery or died somewhere. So physically you can see they're basically about the same size, only minor differences in the height between the 980 and the 890 on the left, so the 980 is a little bit higher. Other differences are the exhaust port here for the exhaust of the vacuum coming out of the waste bin, and then you can see the 980, which has the more powerful suction mode for carpets, or you can turn it on all the time, so it's got more exhaust vents here at the back. So now we'll just take a quick look at the difference between the navigation of the 890 versus the 980. First here we have the 890. So I found one major difference between the two is that the 890, which you're seeing here, will tend to just run and bump into things, and that's how it seems to go, finding its way around the room. It's a series of impacts on walls, whereas the 980 seems to be a lot more deliberate with how it moves about the room, and also how it approaches edges and objects that it runs into. So now I've got the 980, the top end unit, on the charging station, the same position that we just ran the 890 from, and check it out. So that loud noise initially is the higher powered mode that the vacuum starts out with. And it runs off while it's just doing normal hardwood. So I found the 980 tends to do a much more, at least for people, reasonable navigation path with like a defined kind of grid pattern. Just gonna go back and forth here over the main body of what is our dining room / back entrance. Normally put the chairs up, but for the purpose of this video, I just wanted to show that the 980's navigation seems to be a lot more rational, at least from a person's perspective. Maybe for machines, the 890s is reasonable, but this certainly seems to visually make a lot more sense in terms of what it's doing. 980 also seems to do a lot better on edges. It seems to be able to work its way around objects and navigate edges of either square or round features just fine. Okay, so in summary, both of these robot vacuums will clean your floor just fine. The main difference is that the 980 will do it more quickly because of the improved sensors and navigation technology that it has. The 890 will do a very good job of cleaning the floor. It just kind of seems to have a more random cleaning pattern, and it tends to take longer. In my case, it takes up to an hour, which is its maximum battery life. So as far as recommendations go, if money's not an issue, I'd definitely go with the 980. It's been very reliable. The 890 will clean the floor very well. It just takes a bit longer, and I've got links to the Amazon warehouse deals where you can save money on either vacuum in the description of the video.